Hello everyone, welcome to today's training. Today we're going to be going over how to access your tasks. When you log into your portal, it's going to take you to the activity stream. To access the task, you want to go to Task and Projects. Here it'll take you to the Task Overview screen. As you can see here, you can see the tasks that you have overdue, what's due today, and what's due later on in the week. There are two ways in which you can start your tasks. You can either click the play button, and that will start the task for you. And that's only if you know what is required within the task. You can then minimize your screen and begin working on the task and come back to click to finish off the task. The other way is to click on the title. I clicked on C85877, and that's going to take you to the overview of the task as a whole. Here you can see what's required within the task, the instructions that were given, the checklist, the items that are needed to be completed in order to complete the task, the deadline, when the task was created, who created the task and assigned it to you, who's responsible for the task, and any additional participants or anyone who has been assigned to observe the task that you are completing. Once you're in this screen, to begin, you want to click Start. That starts the timing process to notify the person who assigned the task to you how long it's taking for you to complete that task. You can then minimize the screen and begin your work on the other screens that you need to complete those tasks. As I complete each item that is required on the checklist, I mark it off. Once I've completed all the items, it lets me know that it's completed, and then I will click Finish. And if you noticed up here, it changed from pending to completed. In the next video, we'll show you how to create a checklist.